Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Hashflow token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Hashflow HFT is a decentralized trading protocol that uses a request for quote or FQ system to enable efficient cross-chain swaps with protection against common DeFi pitfalls. It operates on an FARFQ model where professional market makers provide signed slippage-free codes for traders. It acts as a liquidity layer powering swap across major blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Arbitrum from within other DeFi apps. The HFT token is core to governance and staking, allowing holders to participate in free sharing and decision making. Hashflow project institution rating is 4.2 and this project audited by Ceritic and Quantstamp. Hashflow token total supply is 997.35 million and circulating supply is around 862.39 billion HFT token. HFT token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.